Lion pride, giant pythons, crocodiles, and eagles successfully relocated to protected wildlife sanctuary. Restoration awareness generated 1.1.
Old to Gold world, where legends are reborn.
All right, team, secure your positions. We have 4 species to relocate simultaneously.
Affirmative, Dr. Kovacs. Systems online.
Tranquilization sequence initiated. Target secured. First cub tranquilized. Proceeding with containment.
Radiation levels stable. Containment check Alpha 7 clear. Proceeding with Python extraction. Extreme caution advised. Crocodile. Proceed with caution. Maintain containment protocols. Engaging transport field. Preparing for extraction. Monitoring vital signs. Keep your distance. Watch the perimeter. Eagle secured, Restorer. All 4 species are accounted for. Final phase initiated. Copy that, Blue Leader. Fortress ready for transport. Safety confirmed. Deploy the shield emitters now. Ensure the perimeter is secure. Confirmed. Initiating shield activation. Readings are stable. Proceeding with extraction. Keep it steady. Watch the central head. Cranes are holding. Vibe density looks critical. Prep the stabilizers. We're almost there.
Integrity checks are positive. Begin clearing the outer layers. Confirmed. Commencing vegetation removal. The structure beneath is holding firm.
Winch is engaging. Confirm secure. Systems locking on. Decon protocol initiating. Guards in position. Sector clear. Slow tension. Lift. Steady. Target secured.
Transport secure. Commence decontamination sequence. Decontamination active. All clear. Proceed.
Status secure. Prepare for highway access. Affirmative. Proceed with caution. Maintain separation. Focus scans on the central head. Readings are fluctuating. Be advised. Acknowledged. Proceed. Hold position. Lowering now. Stabilize. Affirmative. Slight adjustment clockwise. Rotation complete. Secure. Phase 2 complete. Ready for decontamination.
Proceed with pressure washing on the lower quadrant.
Affirmative. Filtration systems engaged.
Move to the primary dragon heads. Increase flow rate.
We restore the impossible. Old to Gold world. Decontamination complete. All 7 heads are fully revealed. Structural integrity appears intact. Decontamination complete. All levels registering safe. We are clear to proceed with disassembly.
Engaging lift. Contamination damage is extensive. Complete replacement required. No salvage.
The transmission and drivetrain show radioactive damage. Severe corrosion from decades of exposure. Engaging manipulator clamp. Verify attachment points. Status green. Initiating controlled extraction. Transferring object to catalog platform. Proceed to next unit.
extensive radioactive damage, but the structural integrity seems partially preserved. Let's analyze the contamination levels here.
Disassembly assessment complete. Disassembly is complete. 982 placement necessity due to extreme radioactive damage. Readings indicate critical stress at the lower neck joint. The corrosion has reached the central matrix. Repair feasibility is marginal.
Will all 7 heads rise again? Smash subscribe for the impossible rebuild. Comment your prediction.
The fabrication is complete. Structural restoration successful, exceeding original specifications. Part 5 is ready.
All right, system checks are green. Lower the main power plant. Verified alignment. Lock it into the Hydra matrix.
Analysis complete. Parameters within range. Moving to installation. Precision in the details. The engine specs are beyond standard. Verified. The power output meets monster truck requirements. Precision. Optimal clearance. Completed assembly.
Legends become reality. Old to gold world.
Parameters exceeding expectations. Restoration successful. Confirmed.
Precision alignment initiated. Ensure fortress specifications are met. Engine lowering. Maintain stability. Verified. Mounting process complete. Engine mounting complete. Diagnostics confirm successful integration and performance exceeding original specifications. Restoration protocol initiated. System components are being sorted for integration. Awaiting confirmation. Precision alignment achieved. The rebuilt transmission is ready. Engaging the drive linkage now. Secure all bolts. Precision engaged. Setting to competition torque. Check valve pressure. Green. Systems go. The multi-head geometric assembly is now exceeding original specifications.
Impressive work.
Integrating the battle plating now. Systems fully operational. Test complete.
Restoration complete. Diagnostics confirm operational capability. Prepare for transport.
Engine startup confirmed. Hydraulic drug functionality validated across all 7 heads. R7 complete. Vehicle ready for finishing phases.
Acknowledged. Proceed to final preparation.
The venomous gold system is prepped. Let the serpent's power shine.
The detail on these lions is incredible.
It really honors the rescued pride. A true conservation success story.
The Python badge completes the tribute to the rescued reptiles. Excellent placement. The scales align with the truck's armor.
The texture needs to blend perfectly with the existing reptile sculptures. Almost done. The scale patterns look incredible.
The final eagle, completing the quadruple species celebration. An unprecedented achievement in conservation tributes.
Incredible. The details are coming alive.
Just a few more connections.
Perfect. It's magnificent. The restoration is complete. All details are show quality. Magnificent. Ready for the ceremonial reveal.
Behold the culmination of a decade's work, the venomous gold Hydra. We dedicate this fortress to the guardians of all 4 species.
This isn't just restoration, it's a statement. The venomous gold finish and these 7 heads symbolize our unprecedented commitment to
Transport secure. Hydra is validated and ready for the competition circuit. Copy that. Proceeding with departure. The Hydra Apocalypse Fortress is complete. Prepare for transport. Roger that. Initiating departure.
Integrity checks complete. All systems online. Commencing engine validation. Initiate full power.
And the Hydra Apocalypse Fortress absolutely demolishes the competition off that jump.
Yeah.
Incredible power coming from that enhanced engine.
Yes. Ultimate restoration achievement. Restoration complete. We did it! We have achieved restoration excellence.
The Hydra Fortress ignited a movement. Conservation through restoration. Now the lions, pythons, crocodile...
Lion pride, giant pythons, crocodiles and eagles successfully relocated to protected wildlife sanctuary. Restoration awareness generated 1.1...
Legends become reality. Old to Gold World.
Did it! This is unbelievable.